Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So, a new trend is going on in Instagram Reel, that is using a child filter 10 times. So, I will show you on my mobile screen how to edit a video like this. So, for editing, we need one application, that is FaceApp. Here you can see on my mobile screen. I will also add the link of this application in my video description. So once you open this application, you need to click on gallery and select any one photo for which you want to make a child effect. So after selecting this, scroll on the side and select the option as age. Here you can see, and here you need to select the option as child. So it will take few seconds for processing. So here you can see, yeah, so my photo has changed to a child one. Now you need to click on apply and click on save. Okay, so this photo will be saved to my phone gallery. So here you can see this is a first picture that we have edited. So we need to select this picture again, and again we need to add a child effect. Here you can see a child one. It will take few seconds for processing. And here you can see again, for the pictures that we have edited, again we have added this effect, apply, now save. So in this way you need to do it 10 times. So if you want to add a 10 photo, you need to do it 10 times. Keep doing, it will reduce your age. Okay, so once you have a number of 5, 7 or 10 photo, whatever you want to use it, so we need one application to merge this photo. So this is the application I am using for merging all those photo, that is InShot. I will also add the link of this application in my video description. Open this application and you need to go to a photo section. Here you can see, and I will select all those photo here. So once it is selected, click on this tick mark. So here you can see all those photos are here. So if you want, for this, click on canvas and select 9:16 ratio. So if you want to adjust the zoom, you can zoom this photo. So in this way you can apply to all photo. Here you can see. So once it is done, so I have just shown you example, you can do it for all photo. And for the first one, you need to add a duration of 2.7 seconds. Here you can see 2.7, and for remaining you need to add 1.2 to 1.3 seconds. So in this way you need to do it for all. So once it is done, you need to click on save. Thing converted. So once this video is ready, we will post it in Instagram Reels. So now the video is ready. Okay, so you need to open your Instagram application and search for my this tech account. This is the account, and go to my recent reels I have posted few minutes ago. Just click on this and select the audio, use audio, and select the video that you have edited. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.